haven't done like much talking in my videos, so I'm gonna do a little like update. I'm currently getting ready. I'm gonna go to Chloe's class because her class just ended, but I'm running a little late because I wasn't really planning to like go super early because I was gonna go by myself, but now that I'm going with her, I don't want to keep her waiting. I feel like I haven't done much talking in the last couple days, so oh, my camera's dying. That's lovely. I also have not charged my camera in like 5 days, I think. So there has not been much footage lately. It's mainly just like the meals I've been having. So let me catch you guys up. On Saturday, I had like a water festival rave kind of. It's called S2O, and we bought water guns. This is the water gun that I bought from Daiso, and it was really fun. That was like the most unique experience of like a concert that I've ever had, because there's like water shooting like the whole fucking time. Let's go! Today's Wednesday now, so Monday and Tuesday were pretty chill. We kind of just ate, and we went to Gangnam yesterday, but it was like rainy, and we also started our day pretty late because we have class. Therefore, we were unable to do a lot. I really wanted to go to the Gado Mall, but by the time that we got there, like most of the shops were already closed, so it was kind of like not worth it at that point. So we basically just went back to Sinchon and we ate at McDonald's. Today, I gotta go return. I bought New Balance 550s, and they were on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. So I got myself a pair and I got my friend a pair, but I tried them on again and I kind of don't like how they look on me, so I'm gonna return my pair. But that's like the last couple of days. I'm pretty sure that's like what I've updated on. I'll see you guys later, whatever we're doing.
On top of the
Hi guys. Everybody's cut off. We went to E-Mart and we got these grape jellies, and we're gonna figure out how to eat them now.
You need a spiky needle thingy.
It also says stab it.
It's
On a
it says
plate.
to stab it on a plate.
Should we take this to the lounge?
It's not focused.
See, I feel like we could have bit it.
How is it? It's so good.
Tastes like jelly.
Oh. It's kind of really
Wait, just be careful.
like actually smoke it.
Make sure you have a good grip. I kind of don't like it.
Oh, you don't like it?
It's too sweet.
It's actually not bad.
What the hell? Wait.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's just really sweet.
I rate it a 6 out of 10.
What about you? 5. I think
Texture.
I think the texture is kind of wonky.
Really? I like the texture.
I like it. Oh.
Sing it. Yeah.